speak to reports that you're making a comeback on defense?
The rumors are true. Me and my wife, Brittany, are going to be part of the best defense, CarShield.
CarShield?
Yeah, they handle the big stuff, like up to 5,000 parts and systems for out-of-warranty vehicles.
They're America's most trusted defense against expensive car repairs.
One call before a breakdown can actually help drivers save thousands.
Dude, right here. Scouts say they pick up breakdowns faster than most linebackers.
CarShield's been around for over 20 years, and they've helped drivers save $1 billion.
Plus, the nationwide protection comes with 24-hour roadside assistance, courtesy towing, and rental car options. CarShield is the defense against costly repairs.
What's the catch?
No catch at all. It's as easy as call, drive, and save.
Just call before a breakdown happens, and you could save thousands on costly repairs.
Call 800-964-3356 to get a free quote and lock in your low rate with CarShield for the entire time you drive your vehicle. 800-964-3356. 800-964-3356.